Today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject term 3 lesson 3 air we breathe. In previous class we have studied about one of the component of nitrogen. Then next component of oxygen. Let us see the topic. Oxygen is one of the main components of air. Oxygen is one of the main components of air. So the amount of oxygen is present in air is 21%. How much amount of present in air? 21%. Okay students. What's the symbol of oxygen? O. What is the symbol of oxygen? O. In capital, write in capital letter. Once again, oxygen is the one of the main components of air. The amount of oxygen is present in air is about 21%. All the creatures cannot live without oxygen. All living beings cannot without oxygen. All the creatures cannot live without oxygen. So oxygen is very essential for all living beings. Let us brief about the oxygen. Let us brief about the oxygen. Oxygen is one of the main components of air. Oxygen is one of the main components of air. Oxygen is a Greek word. It's the meaning of acid former. It's the meaning of acid former. It was named oxygen because it was believed to be able to form acid. Oxygen is a symbol of O. Oxygen supports combustion, combines with most elements and is a component of hundreds of thousands of organic compounds. Liquid oxygen is blue. Oxygen is fairly soluble in water, making life in rivers, lakes and oceans possible. The element is very common. Oxygen is a very common element. It's a highly reactive non-metallic element. Major component of air is oxygen. The second largest single component of the Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen is the most abundant element by mass in the Earth's crust as part of oxide compounds such as silicon dioxide. The atmosphere of Mars contains only about 0.15% of oxygen, usually bound with other elements. It is produced by plants during photosynthesis. It is necessary for aerobic respiration. Do you know, children? Your brain uses 20% of the total blood and oxygen in your body. Your brain uses 20% of the total blood and oxygen in your body. Next, properties of oxygen. Oxygen is colorless. Oxygen is very reactive in its elemental form. Its most common form is O2. O3 is another form of oxygen which is called ozone. O3 is another form of oxygen which is called ozone. Approximately 70% of the human body's mass is oxygen. Oxygen is completely essential for human survival. Where does come from oxygen? It comes from plants using photosynthesis, then it gets releases into the air. This is a structure of oxygen cycle on Earth. Next, uses of oxygen. The first one, all living things use oxygen for breathing. All living things use oxygen for breathing. Next, oxygen is essential for burning. Oxygen is essential for burning. Third point, oxygen is used in gas welding. Third uses, it is used in gas welding. Then fourth one, oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals. Oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals to enable the patients to breathe when they cannot breathe normally. Next, mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders at high altitudes. Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders at high altitudes. Next uses, deep sea divers also carry oxygen cylinders along with them while diving deep into the sea. Okay students, oxygen is one of the main components of air. The amount of oxygen is present in air is about 21%. So all the creatures cannot live without oxygen. So oxygen used for burning, gas welding and breathing in hospitals. These are the uses of oxygen. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.